Welcome to the live once again to the beauty and glowing light as we perceive from the base, through the gardens, are keeping you trusting the things of the Lord and the elements of the Lord, almost every side that the Lord healed for himself. And here we've been showing the mark of the Lord. Maybe you can see it as clear colored it is. I would eventually move from this very angle to another section where the life, when you get yourself or find yourself in the gardens where the Bible says the spirit is called virtuous, which you abuse in Proverbs 31, saying a virtuous woman. So indeed, when you try to say virtuous, maybe you have found a creator who is with you life broadcasting, like there's no other business again apart from that. Now, you know what I'm doing? You want to go see up there if the cloud is ready. Like we're showing things that actually should connect with our souls. Maybe, let's find out. If there is any heaven, universe, what you have placed there will show what indeed it is. If probably you didn't know, look at the clouds right there. You see that place far as you want to say it is? There are beauty clouds in the west and most southwest and northwestern. Like when you're on the side, you're actually getting it the way it is. You know that the colors and the scheme for this very spectrum are very beauty. You can cloudy, say it's night, and the reflection from the main source generators. Now, having mentioned the cloud, you say they are raising high to that level. Just watch up there, right there. That's why we want to say the Lord indeed is doing something very nice. So you also count on every time saluting the kingdom. And the kingdom is actually led on a mission for the military. And that's why we also have to say salute almost every time. That's why I've also shown myself to salute it. Yeah. So that's all I can say at the moment, because I've shown that the Lord should be, as the cloud is also on the side here, as more of snow. And a couple of minutes ago it was really as it is, but it's time to go out there to see what I'm saying. Yeah, the cloud is being light also, so we'll definitely go there. Maybe you will need it because it's for healing. That's why we said to focus on things above. Things on your level actually have been defiled. That's why we don't want to say you need it. But that which is from heaven, finest repair, this is a spirit. You actually need it. That's what we really need. So you can keep the good with your enemies. Just go out of the state and make it happen somewhere. Yeah, that's all I can say. It's really nice to say the Lord should be with us. I don't think there's any other person than myself. If there is any footpath here, from this angle and right to the top, maybe you want to watch, and myself showing almost every time why I lay my hand on the very plant. Show the beauty. If I have been given to care for, I do this. I make it happen. I don't think I have to fake it when the life indeed is not fake. That if I don't create, what do you mean? I just really have to create. If I put my foot here, so it is. I don't think I wear your foot and our foot will be showing. I will show it. Because we need to do this so that nobody will say that we are robotic. No, I have the robot already. Watch. Here. You see that? Do you see the wealth here? I don't think I carry my enemy to the level, if you don't know what I'm saying, the Lord is asking for. The Lord in the Bible, when we take a look at it and compare with the judgment physically, it has fallen and failed completely. But that which is fallen failed is never late, because I can still make it happen. As you can say, the iron didn't rob you, but it's the other ways named, the steel that made it. So you don't have to have anybody else to blame your situation on apart from how you made it. So I don't call for things with your knowledge or understanding. See, the gate has been named after the opposite. So it shouldn't be what you say the gate is the one doing this. You can do that. The earth is blowing excellently. Watch it. Watch there, they're waving. So that's the only way I can stay right here and say what I'm saying. Thanks. The cloud and snow. Look, the snow light. The snow beauty. This in Accra, Century, or Umbrella Jazz, if you want to know that. Let's get to this place. Look, the moon right there. Yes, that you need it. You obviously need it. That's it. The white stone, let's get it closer to this view. So you needed this light. That we will say is somebody's trying to fake it. Right there. That's not a disc, Except I tell you. So we couldn't just watch one thing, leaving the others. Oh my Lord, look at it. Hi, darling. Then right here, live on the screen, that it makes our color and colorful beauty. Colorful beauty the art is showing. Do you agree seeing that when I mentioned the views of they didn't fail to show it also right here? That's where we end the broadcast. Live and right out, right here.